CSC, and we're going to show you a presentation of our application for the hackathon entitled DXC Chain of Custody. The goal of the application is to support non-repudiation of activities against physical assets, both in and out of the field, and the tracking of physical assets as they move in and out of operational capacity. As you can see, we're going to log in and we're brought to a list of our assets. We have one asset that is listed as powered on, and we are linking to the dynamic mapping service. And if we pop that open, we're actually using the Predix dynamic mapping service to get this information and to be able to identify there's real information in the data on the map. Okay, and then if we right-click our asset, we can see real-time data that's coming in from the Edison board. So we actually link to the Edison board. It is currently pumping out real-time data right now. I'll show you 5 minutes ago. I'm going to use the light sensor. As you can see, real-time data is coming there. The goal at this point is to be able to use this real-time data, detect an anomaly, and when an anomaly is identified, a couple of things happen. The first thing is we generate an immutable transaction in the blockchain. We also generate a service ticket. So we can go look at the anomalies that have occurred in the system. Each one of these is verifiable. Here's the blockchain hash. So once it's stored in the blockchain, it cannot be changed without breaking that verification. We also generate a service ticket. That service ticket is also immutable, and any changes to it will be identified by comparison against the blockchain transaction set. As you can see, here again, we have the hash. If I go in to edit, okay, and I change this and I change from Jolene Harlow and I add an E, and as you can see, the blockchain is now not verifiable because the information set is different. So we're actually taking that hash and we're comparing it against what's in the blockchain. Now this provides us with some basic factors. One, all this information about when an anomaly occurred, what a piece of equipment it occurred, where that equipment's located, who operated on it, if a piece of equipment came in or a piece of equipment left, all that is managed in the blockchain. Plus, we now have a record of tracking for any equipment that's been moved in or moved out, so we understand the entire life cycle of the device. If it goes out for service and it comes back, we'll be able to identify and the handoff of that device as it moves through the field.